So hello everyone. Group B, question number 12. Defined instantaneous rate of reaction. Write down the rate expressions of the following reaction. 2N2O2 gives Na2 plus O2. If 2.24 liters of O2 at NTP is produced in 30 minutes, what is the rate of disappearance of N2O2? Question number 13. Define standard heat of formation. Calculate the heat of formation of acetic acid from the following data. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives H2O. CH3COH plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Or you are given the standard reduction potentials of zinc and magnesium. Answer the following questions. A. What is standard electrode potential? B. Construct a galvanic cell notation for the given electrodes indicating anode and cathode. C. Write the complete cell reaction for the given cell. D. Calculate the cell potential for the given cell at 25 degrees Celsius. Question number 14. A chemical reaction occurs as follows: CH2, CH2, CH2 bihar. Bromopropane plus aqueous KOH, potassium hydroxide, gives P plus KBr. Question number A. Identify the compound B in the above reaction. B. Which substitution reaction mechanism occurs in the above reaction and why? C. What is the product formed when alcoholic KOH is used instead of aqueous KOH in the above reaction? D. How can you obtain nitropropane from the compound A? Question number 15. A list of compounds is given as follows: P. Amino as benzene, benzene diazonium chloride, aniline, nitrobenzene, phenol, and benzene. From the above list of compounds, prepare a sequence of reaction chain with suitable conditions and reagent. Or an aliphatic compound A reacts with SOCl2 to give B. The compound B is heated with ammonia to produce C. The compound C is further heated with Br2/KOH to yield D. The compound D gives E when treated with NaNO2/HCl at low temperature. The compound E is a primary alcohol which gives positive iodoform test. Identify compound A to E with the reaction involved. Question number 16. Write down the chemical equations to illustrate the following reactions. A. 2,4 DNP test. B. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. C. Williamson synthesis reaction. D. Perkins condensation reaction. E. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Question number 17. You are given the mixture of two compounds A and B. How would you separate their mixture by applying Hofmann's methods? Give the nitrous acid test to distinguish between compounds A and B. Question number 18. The metal M with electronic configuration Ar3d10-4s2 belongs to the group 3rd B in the periodic table and is commonly called Jasta. A. Identify metal M and write its main ore. B. Why is metal M not considered as transition element? C. Draw the vertical railroad. Write its reduction reaction. What happens when metal M is exposed to air for a long time? Question number 19. What is rusting? Describe the process. Describe the electrochemical theory of rusting of iron. List any two methods for the prevention of rusting. Group C. 20. Deduce the normality equation N1 B1 is equals to N2 B2. Experimental data obtained by titrating decinormal solution of oxalic acid with potassium permanganate solution are given below. Question number A. Name the above titration. B. Calculate the equivalent weight of KMnO4. C. Calculate the normality of KMnO4 from the above data. D. Why is dilute H2SO4 added to the conical flask containing standard oxalic acid before titrating with KMnO4 solution? E. Identify a titration and titrant in this titration. Or A. Write the application of solubility product principle and common ion effect in qualitative salt analysis. B. Differentiate between Bronsted-Lowry and Lewis concept of bases. C. Calculate the degree of ionization of HCN having concentration of 0.01 m Ka of HCN is equals to 4.8 into 10 power minus 8. Also calculate H plus concentration and pH of the solution. Question number 21. An organic compound X reacts with the Grignard reagent to give Y, which on oxidation gives Z. All of these compounds X, Y and Z give positive iodoform test. A. Identify the compound X, Y and Z with reactions and condition involved. B. Why do these compounds give positive iodoform test? C. How would you convert compound Y into pseudonitrile? D. Write any two methods for the preparation of the compound Z. And or how will you carry out the following conversion? A. Ethanol to chloroform. B. Phenol to DDT. C. Ethoxyethane to methoxyethane. D. Aniline to chlorobenzene. Question number 22. Answer the following question. A. What are the raw materials for the production of paper? B. Draw the flow sheet diagram for the manufacture of Portland cement. D. C. Nuclear fusion reaction is also called thermonuclear reaction. Why? D. How are the addition and condensation polymers formed? Write an example of each.